This headstone belongs to Infant Matlock boys. When I started cleaning this headstone, I could only make out the parents' names and a child praying in a flower on the side. This led me to the assumption it was a child or infant's grave. After my cleaning was done, it was revealed to say infant sons of Joseph and Annie Matlock, so there is more than one infant buried in this grave. There are no birth or death dates on the stone. The infants were also not named. This was not uncommon back then due to the infant mortality rate being much higher than it is today. I'm also not sure if the boys were born separately or together as twins, or if there are only two buried here. Because of this, I was unable to find any information about the boys. The boy's mother, Annie, was born in Wilson, Kansas in 1866 to James and Rosanna Woolman Leroy. Their father, Joseph, was born in Douglas County, Missouri in 1872 to Thomas and Hester Snelson Matlock. In the 1880 census, when Annie was 13, her family had moved to Jackson Township, Douglas County, Missouri. On December 22, 1889, when Annie was 23, she married 17-year-old Joseph Marion Matlock. Joseph worked as a farmer and Annie as a housewife. Including the infant boys, the couple would have 9 children together, 8 boys and 1 girl. One other son, Julian Matlock, would pass away at the age of 23 due to an accidental shooting. The rest of the kids lived well into adulthood. The infant boys are buried at Yates Cemetery in Ava, Missouri. They are buried next to their mother, Annie Matlock, their brother, Julian Matlock, their Leroy grandparents, and several aunts and uncles. This is a photo that I took of the grave before I cleaned it. As you can see, it was really overgrown with that moss stuff. This is the photo that I took of it 2 months later. It looks a lot better. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Please like and subscribe.